Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. I took a piece of material and I drew a circle with my compass. You guys, I messed it up the first time, so I had to go back and redo it, so you didn't see me draw the circle, but I just took a piece of material, drew the circle, and then I'm taking and I'm doing what my mom would call oh goodness gracious, y'all, just going back and forth in the material. I want to, oh my gosh, I can't remember what this stitch is called. Anyway, going back and forth in the material, and then what I'm doing is I'm sewing it down to where that little ball is tight. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some bonding boss and put on this. You guys, do not throw away your broken pieces of silver. Do not get rid of them, because you can make something useful out of them still yet. I put bonding boss all over this. I would give it a good dry. And then y'all, I put in my leftover back in my container, and now I'm drying it. Anyway, we're going to put a coat of white Waverly paint over the top of this. It's Snow White from Waverly. I will put a couple of coats, you guys, because one coat is just not enough, and it is showing through. So we're just going to keep going until we don't have anything showing through it. And of course, you guys, you know what I'm going to do here. What I do to almost all of my silver, we're going to stripe it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a pencil, and we're going to stripe straight down, all the way through the center, all the way across to the other side. I'm going to do it on all four sides, and then I'm going to divide those fours into fours again. So we've got 8 stripes is what we have. So 4 of them will be painted blue and 4 will be painted white. You will do every other stripe. Every other. And you guys, this turns out so beautiful. This is a new paint from Paint Pixie, you guys. I am loving the blue Curaçao. I love it so much. Y'all, this is the perfect color of blue. I absolutely love it, especially when you give it a couple of coats. It is absolutely perfect. This is the color I try to strive for. Every time I mix the purple and the ocean blue, this color is perfect and it's right on. So I will definitely be using this color more often on my tea sets and things like that, because I love it. And I hope you guys will as well. I like how this turns out so well. And I love the way the bottom looks on these, you guys. Do you see where it all intersects on the bottom? It's kind of cool. And then once we're done doing our blue, you guys, I had to give it a couple of coats. Once we are done doing the blue, we are going to outline everything. We're going to go back and touch up all of our white, of course. We're going to touch up every bit of it, because you guys, I'm funny when it comes to my stuff. I want everything to look just right. So I go back and I repaint everything. And if I miss something, I will go back and grab it later on. I will give it one more look over after I'm done with this video, and I will go and straighten it all out if I need to. But anyway, we're going to go in with the gold. This is called Liquid Leaf. Plaid makes this, the Plaid Company. It is classic gold. And I'm just going to take and I'm going to do all of the legs in the gold. And I just take my time and I do it just right. Usually you only have to do 1 coat, maybe 2 at the most. And once I get all of those painted, then I will go in and paint the handle. And of course, you're going to see me paint underneath the lip there. I'm going to paint that whole entire lip underneath it in gold. We want everything to look just right. Then we're going to do the top rim here. Beautiful. I love this gold, y'all. I'm not worried about the inside, because we are going to take care of that inside here in just a minute. I'm going to do gold stripes all the way down each one of these stripes on both sides, because the gold just makes it look absolutely fabulous, and it makes everything look, it brings it all together, you guys. It helps make those lines more straight. It just makes everything look gorgeous. And this piece will look like $1 million once we're done. And this is a broken piece of, I broke one of the handles off of it and could not use it in one of my tea sets. So I saved it, you guys. Always save your things. Do not throw them out, because this is going to be the perfect little pincushion. I put a gold Totally Dazzled crown on the front of this. Y'all, it's beautiful. Look at me putting all those pins in there. Super exciting, you guys, especially for you that sew and do all the things. And I am going over this with Duraclear, you guys. Duraclear is great for these. And I do all the white first, and then I go back and do all the blue. I don't run them into each other, because it will drag those lines. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of it. But here is your pictures. Look how precious this is, you guys. This material matches it perfect. It looks gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, y'all, share this out. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.